Good morning, everyone. This is going to be my one of the very few live streams here, where I'm going to discuss about why Google Ads. Why Google Ads is very important aspect when it comes to advertising online. But before why, let me discuss what is Google Ads. Basically, Google Ads is an entity of Google through which you can advertise and promote your business or product online. Google Ads is actually a product of Google through which they display ads on their own platforms such as Google Search, YouTube, different properties being owned by Google such as Gmail. But it also has an feature through which you can advertise and promote your products online with the help of Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a platform through which uh, website owners can place ads on their website and earn money through it. And they are placing ads of Google Ads. And if you want to advertise your business online, you can do it through Google Ads and show and your ads will be shown through Google AdSense on the Google partner websites. Google itself is a huge entity, and the question is now, why Google Ads? I told you one reason. One reason is Google itself is a huge entity, and it covers a very big population. Seeing are online. So this is can be the first reason. The second can be its targeting features are very good. The customization features Google has are undoubtedly one of the famous ones. You can target through genders, age, interest, likes, dislikes. You also has an opportunity to do remarketing and show your ads to those people who have seen your product. I mean, who have visited your website before. And if you want to target them again, you can through Google remarketing. Now, remarketing is very important because it takes multiple times before you make an actual decision or so remarketing is very good and you can do it as well. Google Ads primarily run on a CPC module where you have to pay for each click uh, being done on your ad. You are not being charged regardless of, let's say, 100 people visit your website. Visit you see your ad, but if they do not click, you're not going to be charged. Although if you're not being clicked, your CTR is going to be affected because Google encourage those advertisers whose ads are being clicked. They feel like if the ads are being clicked, it means that users are liking this ad, and they are gonna give preference to those based on the CTR and quality score. But I have explained in my videos on the importance of a quality score and what is the impact of quality score and how it can reduce your CPC and cost for each click if you optimize your campaign's quality score, and how your ad will be shown more and more. So this is another feature of Google Ads through which you can attain a targeted traffic. Targeted traffic is very important thing. Now, over the years, I've been working online, and in my opinion, people prefer Google Ads. Yes, I have customers for Facebook ads. I have customers for LinkedIn ads. I have customers for Twitter ads. I have customers for Pinterest, for Snapchat, for Bing ads. But majority of the customers are being in the Google ads. It's not basically like my company's prime service is Google ads, which is why we are getting most Google ads. But it's actually Google ads is one of the best way to get targeted traffic. For instance, if I search in Google plumbers near me, it means that I'm looking for a plumber, and I'm in a situation where the plumber is very important for me. This kind of user who is looking for a plumber is actually a buying user, and it is only available on the search engine. Now, Google search or Bing ad search. I mean, Bing, they are or Baidu in China, but these are three are very famous search engines. Now, the question is, if you say that search engines are important, then why you are preferring Google over Bing? It is because Google is the most visited search engine. The first reason. The second is the targeting features it has and how it helps you to eliminate fraud information as well as purely target those people who primarily link with your targeted traffic. Actually shows the benefit of this. So ultimately, I'm going to suggest Google Ads is again one of the very best way through which you can target and promote. You can target through text ads for search engines, but if you want to target on Google display ads, you can target as well from image ads as well as search text ads. There's also option of call campaign. Call campaign is primarily if you are selling a service, and user can directly call you by clicking on the ad. They do not need to visit the website, and just they press the ad, and their number will be shown on the visitor's mobile, which is a very, again, a very quick way to solve their purpose and help. And for many clients, call campaigns have given good results, so I'm going to prefer it. But always it's not a priority to use call campaign, because sometimes customers want to know why your business or product. So it is another chance where you have to explain, which is why landing page is also very important. But the situation varies from niche to niche, scenario to scenario, and how popular your brand is. So again, you cannot conclude a decision on a single basis. But but again, Google Ads is a very good platform. The closest competitor of Google Ads is not Bing Ads, as you were expecting, because Bing is also a famous search engine, but the closest competitor is Facebook. Now, why Facebook is the closest competitor? It is because Facebook advanced targeting features are quite closer or similar to what Google Ads has. Now, Google Ads is an old platform, and they offer much more services and features, and their platform has evolved over the years, so it can help you. But Facebook is also evolving and improving themselves very good. So my second priority after Google will be Facebook ads. uh, as far as the payments are concerned, uh, credit cards and debit cards are accepted from most of the countries if they are allowed to pay online. In certain countries, you need to activate online buying feature for your card before doing online purchases, so it varies from country to country.